Hey, it's Casey. I'm live on location here at Brandon Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram at 3250 Victoria Avenue. This right here is the Dodge Dart that I've been talking about all day. It's an absolutely beautiful car. We'll take a look inside here. Of course, leather seats. Looks amazing. They've got the big display dash panel. This is just in the showroom here. They've got, of course, many vehicles outside. We'll take a look at one of the other ones in the showroom here. They're just under renovations, but it's looking pretty good in here. They've got a little lounge area for everyone, refreshments, coffee, donuts. This beautiful vehicle ahead of us, which is the Caravan, the Grand Caravan, has amazing stow and go seating, which they were trying out before. Come in, take a test drive of one of these vehicles. If it's a truck you're looking for, well, they've got that as well. The 2013 Ram 1500s right there on the wall. It could be yours. Come on down to Brandon Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, live on location for 94.7 Star FM. I'm Casey.